Hirevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Alright guys, so in that last video, we had new spark plug wires put on, and the car ran a little better. Well, it ran a lot better really, but it still wasn't exactly right. It's still like missing slightly, like there's something still going on. So I was like, well, let's go and throw some spark plugs in it. Well, as we found one that was bad, so we definitely changed it out. And then as I was in AutoZone, I started, was like, what other spark plugs you got? And he was like, we're showing some Iridium ones for 1 cent. I was like, what? I was like, you have them? And he was like, well, no, they're not in the store. He said they're showing at the hub. He was like, but I could, maybe get them. I was like, well, can we order them? He goes, I don't know. Let's see. So I was waiting the next day to see if these Iridium spark plugs showed 8 at the hub. And Iridium spark plugs, these are Denso plugs. They're pretty expensive plugs. At the store, they were going for like $11.99 a piece. You can find a little cheaper than that online, but that's right at $100 worth of spark plugs for 1 cent each. So sure enough, they came in the next day, and Greg actually went by to pick them up. And as he got the pickup receipt right here, and it says 1 cent right there. As he goes in, he goes, I didn't pick up these spark plugs we ordered. And the lady's like, oh, okay. She's putting them up. And he puts 1 dime down on the counter. And the lady's like, she goes, oh, no, this isn't right. I can't sell you these for 1 cent each. This is wrong. And Greg was like, well, we ordered them. And, that's false advertisement. You have to sell us these because that's what we ordered them at. I ordered them in here for 1 cent each. So it ended up being 9 cents total with tax, which is pretty amazing. So we got some really good spark plugs, super cheap. And the lady did not want to sell them, but luckily she ended up selling them to us. So anyways, Greg and I got those switched out, and now it seems to be running a little better, but it's still not perfect. There's still like a like in between it, like it's not a full miss, but it's not doing exactly right. So something is going on, and I don't know what it is, but I got some other clips here of running it, and it is much better. It's still not near as fast as it was when I first got it. So there's a couple other things to look at, so I don't know what's going on. But anyways, that's where we're at. All right, guys, let's see if that fixes it now. Right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting Hirevz 25 in at checkout at avalonking.com.
time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.